So one of the goals for today's forum is to move beyond talking about AI and towards seeing AI in action and how it's being put into practice. There's an expo outside in the Rotunda, which is featuring 18 demos from across the university and our partner ecosystem. This includes Columbia Engineering, the Center for Teaching and Learning, Teachers College, Columbia Alliance, and the School of Professional Studies. These projects span across healthcare, coding, education, storytelling, learning systems, and research infrastructure. Some of the demos focus on building AI literacy and human capital or human capacity. Some others are exploring new creative ways of using AI for developing new strategies of teaching and learning, while others are demonstrating performance, optimization, and real-world problem solving. Together, these demos showcase the breadth of Columbia faculty and partners, how Columbia faculty and partners are exploring new and creative ways of using AI in our teaching and learning experience, or the teaching and learning experience of our students. To give you a preview of what you will see in the Rotunda, we'll begin with 3 short lightning talks. After these talks, we'll open the Demo Expo open and invite you to interact with the full set of projects. Our first lightning talk is by Zhongqi Shi, senior lecturer in Chinese in the Department of East Asian Languages and Cultures. His demo, AI Chatbots in Action, Preparing and Practicing and Performing in a Language Classroom, presents the use of AI chatbots to guide students through vocabulary and dialogue practice and job interview simulations. This project illustrates how AI can be embedded into course design to increase student engagement, autonomy, and confidence. Next, we'll hear from Lydia Chilton, Associate Professor of Computer Science, and Lance Weiler, the Director of the Digital Storytelling Lab and the Associate Professor of Professional Practice at the School of the Arts. Dean Shifu Chang talked about the course that Lydia and Lance have been working on. Their demo, Immersive Storytelling with AI, explores AI as a medium for shared experience. They'll show interactive environments where participants engage with AI and each other to reflect creativity, connection, and what it means to be human. Our final lightning talk comes from Émeric Deliver. He's a professor of statistics and learning at École Polytechnique, one of our Columbia Alliance partners. His project, AlgoAce, is an AI-powered companion for competitive programming. By combining large language models with retrieval augmented generation and real-time data, AlgoAce delivers personalized problem recommendations, debugging support, and strategy guidance tailored for each learner's goals and skill level. Thank you for your participation, and now for the talks. Zhongqi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Zhongqi Shi. I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of East Asian Languages and Cultures. I've been teaching business Chinese at Columbia for over 20 years. And one challenge has remained constant. Students need a lot of time, not a lot of practice and feedback to develop real communication skills. But a single instructor simply cannot provide that level of individual attention. And in today's global economy, that gap really matters. As we all know, language skills open doors to careers, to professional networks, and to opportunities otherwise out of reach. So the question becomes, how can we help students and more students develop communication skills more efficiently? So in my course, with support from the Center of Teaching and Learning, I've been experimenting with AI chatbots to address this challenge. And one chatbot we designed helps students prepare for Chinese job interviews. It simulates realistic interview questions, conducts voice-based mock interviews, and gives personalized feedback, not just on language accuracy, but on how clearly students organize their ideas, how effectively They articulate their experiences and how well they respond under pressure. So with the chatbot, students can practice repeatedly, refine their answers, and build confidence before meeting with their actual employers. So many students describe it as having a personalized interview coach available anytime. A second chatbot helps students engage with business vocabulary and topics before class. Rather than waiting to receive information in the classroom, students take charge of their own learning from the beginning. This also transforms my classroom teaching, freeing it for deeper and more dynamic interactions. So to conclude, AI is not replacing language teachers. It can extend what we do, making practice more scalable, feedback more personalized, and language learning more connected to real-world needs. So if you would like to see how this works in practice, come visit me at table 12. Okay, thank you very much.